matunta ang lumad nga taga Zamboanga nga maoy mo representar sa nasod alang sa Mr. World Ambassador International Competition sa nasod sa Vietnam. Unsa kaha ang iyahang mga pagpangandam ug ang iyahang advokasya. Let's all welcome Mr. World Ambassador International Philippines 2021, Alfred Natividad. Mayong buntag, Alfred, ug welcome sa ato ang programa.
Mayong buntag ni Cecil and mayong buntag to our viewers, kapuso. And buenas dias to all Vivientes na Zamboanga in Chabacano.
Buenos dias, gayon. First of all, congratulations, Alfred, ha, nga ikaw ang napiling mo representar sa Pilipinas alang sa Mr. World Ambassador International. How do you feel that you bagged this title?
Thank you so much, Ms. Cecil. I feel so blessed and honored, as well excited to represent our country in the international stage. I want to bring the honor and pride to our country in the international stage. So I'm so excited.
And we're very excited for you as well, Alfred. Gusto na mo mahibawan, unsay nakapadasig kanimo to join Mr. World Ambassador International?
The reason why I joined Mr. World Ambassador International, Ms. Cecil, because I want to realize my advocacy. And my advocacy is all about the importance of education. And I want the children to realize the importance of education. Because I always believe that our children is the next stewards on promoting our bounties and culture. So mauna akong role diri kay ganahan ako sila ipa-realize na education is really important for the future.
And talking about education, gusto sad namo mahibawan, unsa imuhang educational background, Alfred? Unsa imuhang nahuman ug unsa imuhang trabaho?
Actually, ma'am, I was graduated at Zamboanga State College of Marine Sciences and Technology, taking up Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering. But sadly, I was not able to go on board and become a successful seaman. But this time, I'm still working for now, I'm working as a video host. Before, I was working here in Cebu City as a call center agent.
Kining pag-apil nimo sa Mr. World Ambassador International, unsa ang imuhang mga pagpangandam alang sa umaabot nga kompetisyon? I understand sa Vietnam ni himuon?
Yes, Ma'am Cecil. Sa Vietnam, sa Ho Chi Minh City. So, akong pangandam kay usually gahi mo og home workout like push up, sit up, and eating the right food for now. And I also have do mentoring with my mentor for the Q&A portion.
And to end this interview, please invite all our kapuso to continue supporting you on this journey and of course your social media accounts as well.
All right. Hi mga kapuso, continue to support me on my upcoming pageant. The Mr. World Ambassador International to be held in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Thank you for always being there. And I would like you to follow my page, Alfred Natividad, and my Facebook, Alfred Natividad, and my IG account, Alfred.Natividad, and my TikTok account as well, Alfred_Natividad. So once again, mga kapuso, this is Alfred Natividad, your Mr. World Ambassador International, with pride and honor to represent the Philippines.
Good luck and God bless kanimo, Alfred, sa umaabot nimong kompetisyon. We wish you all the best. Daghang salamat.
So much, Ms. Cecil. Thank you so much.